In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your PartnerStack account step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to start leveraging PartnerStack to grow your affiliate or partner program with ease. Stay tuned because we'll also share how you can access PartnerStack for free using an exclusive bonus linked below, so don't miss out. Setting up your PartnerStack account is a breeze, even if you're completely new to affiliate or partner programs. First, head over to the PartnerStack website and click Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your name, email address, and business details. Choose a strong password and you're all set for the next step. After entering your information, you'll get an email to confirm your registration. Click the confirmation link and you're officially ready to go. Once you've verified your email, log into your PartnerStack account and you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see an intuitive interface designed to help you navigate the platform. It's user-friendly, and from here you can easily manage your programs, track affiliates, and access analytics. The dashboard is where all the magic happens. To start setting up your program, click on the Create Program button. PartnerStack gives you the flexibility to create a partner program tailored to your needs. You'll need to define your program type, whether it's an affiliate, reseller, or referral program. Each program type has different parameters, so choose what fits best for your business model. If you're unsure, no worries. PartnerStack offers templates to make this process even easier. Next, you'll need to configure your commission structure. You can set up recurring commissions, one-time payments, or even tiered payouts for top performers. This flexibility allows you to create a program that motivates affiliates and keeps them engaged. Now let's talk about adding partners. You'll want to invite affiliates who are interested in promoting your product or service. You can do this by sending out a simple invitation link. Once they accept, they'll be added to your program and you can track their progress. PartnerStack makes it easy to see how well each affiliate is performing, giving you valuable insights into which partners are driving the most revenue. Another key feature in PartnerStack is its integrations. If you already use other marketing or CRM tools, you'll be happy to know that PartnerStack integrates with popular platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and MailChimp. This makes managing your partner program even easier, keeping everything in one place and eliminating the need for manual updates. As you start growing your program, PartnerStack provides powerful analytics to track your partner's performance. You'll get detailed reports on conversion rates, commissions earned, and more, helping you make informed decisions about how to optimize your program. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can access PartnerStack for free through the exclusive link in the description below. This special bonus gives you extended access to the platform, letting you explore all of its features without the usual cost. Don't miss this limited time opportunity to try out PartnerStack risk-free. To wrap up, setting up your PartnerStack account is quick and straightforward. With its user-friendly interface, flexible program options, and powerful analytics, it's the perfect tool for managing and scaling your partner or affiliate program. Remember to check the first link below to claim your exclusive free trial. That's it for today's guide on how to set up your PartnerStack account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.